How to view your account balance in Barclays app. First of all, open the Barclays app and log in securely. Once you are logged in, you will see the balances for all your accounts displayed right on the home screen in one convenient place. To check the details of any account, simply tap on the relevant account. This will show you your current balance and recent transactions. If you want to dig deeper, tap on a specific transaction to see more information, including a map showing where the transaction was made and other useful details. When you are done, tap the back button to return to the account screen. From there, you can also tap on the manage option for that account. This allows you to manage account specific borrowing, check eligible annual payments, and monitor your spending all within the Barclays app. The Barclays app makes it easy to stay on top of your finances anytime, anywhere. Make sure to explore all the features to get the most out of your banking experience. Now you know how to view your account balance in Barclays app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.